Hello friends, in this video I intend to teach you how to verify your account on BelleoFX. After registration, you click on the Upload Documents option at the bottom, and then you need to verify your account using an ID card. And proof of address, which is in the ID card section. We can choose a passport, national ID, or driving license. We select the national ID. And in this section, you upload a photo of the front of your ID card and finally click Submit. In the next section, you can prove your address using three methods: a bank statement, a utility bill, or other documents, and you can see the guidelines for the appropriate document in this section. We remove the bill and then upload a photo of your bill in this section. And then you click on Submit. Your documents will be reviewed and you will receive the results in your email. And as you can see, our account was verified after 1 hour. Good luck.